Hi, hello, welcome to GG Creations. This is Lekha Mohan. Very good afternoon. So we will be getting into the beautiful video. So today we are going to see lots of clips collections. இது எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா medium size clips இருக்கு, small size clips இருக்கு, with temple jewelry, and you will be getting full of kempu and green kempu stones. So one by one we'll go into the explanation of the video. So lots of beautiful video. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே clips வந்து near-ஆ காட்டிடுறேன். So அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு explain பண்றேன். So these all are made of with brass metal. So you can repolish all the clips also. With the back side you will be getting a superb clip. And you can lock 2 times. So double tap பண்ணீங்கன்னா டைட்டா லாக் ஆகும். Single tap பண்ணீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் thick hairக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். ரொம்ப thin hairனா double tap பண்ணிக்கலாம். So this is ruby with multicolor. So this is white. The same piece we have in white. And this is also with kempu. பாரு ரெண்டு ஒட்டுக்கவே. ஒரே டிசைன் பாரு. So உங்களுக்கு ஒவ்வொரு clips எடுத்தீங்கன்னா multi colors இருக்கும். Green with red இருக்கும். Full white mixedலயே இருக்கும். So first we'll move on to this clip. So this is very awesome piece with a floral. There is no temple, any idols all. So this is priced for 640 rupees, ma'am. 640. 640. We have 2 color combinations in this. One is red with green, white, and this is red and green. 2 colors available. 640 rupees for this piece. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number will be 73977392200 for all your bookings. So this is the first clip. So we'll move on to the second clip. Second is also very awesome. So this is with the kempu. Very lovely kempu with this is also red with green combo. So கீழ எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு pearl hangings இருக்கும். This is for 610 rupees, ma'am. 610. 610 clip பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதே மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு பெரிய size clip தான் இருக்கும். It's a heavy one. So I will keep it in the hair and show. So this is the clip you will be getting this height. So very beautiful clip. We have 2 color combinations in this. This is for 610 rupees. 610. 610. Very lovely hair clips now. So we'll move on to the next one. In this, கிட்ட வந்து அந்த கலர்ஸ் எடுத்து கொடுங்க. இதுல இன்னொரு கலர் எடுத்து கொடுங்க. So நேரா இல்ல. So this is with the temple. So this is with the temple jewelry. You will be getting a beautiful Lakshmi here with double side peacocks, and this is with red green kempu with pearl hangings. This is also very lovely, and this is priced for 1080 rupees, ma'am. 1080. 1080 for this clip. Dazzling colors. We have 2 color combinations in this, and one more color I have. This is with full red. This is Lakshmi with full kempu. With lotus, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். அப்படியே லக்ஷ்மி கராஷ்மா லக்ஷ்மியோட ஃபேஸ் வந்து அவ்வளவு கிளியரா இருக்கும். 1080 rupees. 1080. So next comes with a lovely piece, and this is a small clip. உங்களுக்கு ஜடையிலே பாத்தீங்கன்னா கீழ வெச்சுக்கலாம். மேல வைக்க முடியாது. All you can take small amount of hair and you can keep it on the topper side of the head. You can keep it here. So this is priced for 730, ma'am. This is priced for 730. We have 2 color combinations. One is green with red, and this is full red. 2 colors I have in this. 730. 730 rupees for this piece. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number, ma'am. 73977392200 for all your bookings. Next comes with the fantastic look of clip. And this is priced for 810 rupees, and this is a big size clip, ma'am. 810 rupees. 810. So idhilum rendu colors irukku. 2 colors will be lovely. We have green with red, and this is full red. Both the colors will be awesome and beautiful. It's all brass metal clips. Lovely hair clips, ma'am. So இன்னைக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே சூப்பரான ஒரு விருந்தா இருக்கும். 810. 810. We have 2 color combinations in this also. அவ நிக்கிற மாதிரியே ஜடையில அப்படியே நிக்குது பாரு. So next we have one more beautiful clip with the Jimki style. So this is with the beautiful hangings with the Lakshmi pattern, and you will be getting full of carvings all over the clip with rods and floral collections. And here you will be getting with the peacocks and Lakshmi one and ரெண்டு சைட்லயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அழகான பீகாக்ஸ் இருக்கும். This is price for 920 rupees. 920 920 for this piece. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number, ma'am. So superb இருக்கும் the clip, very very lovely, and clip also will be getting a bigger clip at the back side. Back side la nalla periya size clip இருக்கும். 920 for this. Next you have one more clip with Lakshmi. So this is a beautiful Lakshmi with two side florals. You'll be getting single Lakshmi with lotus and two side peacocks, ruby stones irukkum. Fullave ruby stones irukkum. And this is also you will be having a big size clip. This is priced for 890 rupees, ma'am. 890 for this piece. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Next we have a beautiful stone clips. These also are small clips, ma'am. This one ஒரு சின்ன amount of hair la da set ஆகும். உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப thickness of hair வந்து செட் ஆகாது. கொஞ்சமா நீங்க hair எடுத்து நீங்க clips யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So we have 3 designs in this. So totally we have 3 designs in this. All the 3 designs will be awesome, ma'am. So இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா full kempo with green and white, and this is also with ruby and white, and this is also multicolor. So ஒவ்வொருத்துக்கும் price சொல்லிடுறேன். So this is priced for 810 rupees, ma'am. 810 810 for this piece. This is a small size clip you can getting like this. It's a beautiful clip at small size. And next, and this is also small size clip. This is for 320 rupees, ma'am. 320. 320, and this is the clip size you will be getting in this. 320. இதெல்லாம் கிட்ஸுக்கு போட்டிங்கன்னா ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். இல்ல சின்ன amount of hair எடுத்து நீங்க போட்டுக்கலாம் மேலேயே. So this is also priced for 640 rupees for this piece. 640, 640 for this. Very lovely peacocks at both sides. You will be getting multicolor stones with pearl hangings. Beautiful quality, full of brass metal தான். உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சின்னதா அழகா இருக்கும். The clips will be very prettier, ma'am. So these are the 3 clips. Next design, we are going for a beautiful stone clip. This is with a leaf pattern. ரொம்ப அழகா full of white stones. You will be, this is filled with white stones, and the clip will be this much. This is also small size clip. இது ஒரு சின்ன amount வச்சுதான் பண்ண முடியும். So you can take a small amount and you can keep fix in the hair. This is priced for 430 rupees, ma'am. 430, 430 for this piece. Next also one more beautiful clip, you can wear it. This is with the green stones and floral, unique pattern of florals, and kodi design mari varum double side. This is also big size clip, ma'am. Idu or periya size clip da, and this is priced for rupees 900 rupees for this piece. This is 900 rupees. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number 73977392000 for all your bookings. In this only one color we have. So only green. This is for 900. Next comes with a beautiful quality, and here you can, it comes with the very lovely peacocks at 3 sides. So இந்த பக்கமும் ஒரு 3 peacocks இருக்கும், இந்த பக்கமும் ஒரு 3 peacocks இருக்கும். சென்டர்ல வந்து உங்களுக்கு நல்ல ஒரு oval shapeல ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். And this is priced for rupees 840 rupees, ma'am. And this is also big size clip. இது நல்ல ஒரு thick volume இருக்கிற hairக்கு செட் ஆகும். 840. We have 2 color combinations in this. So this is also very neat look, ma'am. So this is also for 840. So we have 2 color combinations. In this also we have multicolor and also red color. So very lovely hair clips we have seen. And this is the last clip for today's live. So today's video, this is the video number 1. So we have done with the hair clips. So this is the last and final clip. Very awesome piece, ma'am. Romba அழகா இருக்கும். And this is without any idols. நல்ல ஒரு crown மாதிரி இருக்கும். இந்த டிசைன் பார்க்கிறதுக்கே ஃபுல்லா கொடி டைப்ல ரொம்ப அழகா florals வந்திருக்கும். கெம்பு டிசைன்ல pearls வெச்ச மாதிரி. So this is price for 640 தானே. This is also price for 640 rupees. So thank you. Watch the beautiful video and you can come to the orders to the WhatsApp number. Bye bye.